In this video, I'll show you how you can fade out a video in CapCut. So instead of the video just ending, we can actually get this video to fade out just like that. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can set this up right now. So what you first need to do is open up your video in a CapCut project. Here is my video here. It's just a panoramic video of Bangkok. Now what you need to do is you need to get to the point where you want to start fading out. So you can fade out from the middle of the clip. You can fade out from near the end. I'm going to fade out from about here. So it will fade out for a couple of seconds. So once you've got the line lined up, you want to then click on the clip. And then next to the undo button on the right, you will see this square diamond looking icon. And that's going to be the keyframe icon. First, you want to click on that and it will create a red keyframe. Now you want to move to near the end of the clip where you want the clip to be fully faded out. Make sure you've clicked on the clip, and then you can scroll all the way down to opacity. So once you're at opacity, you can then click on the keyframe icon again once more. So click on the keyframe icon, and then that will create another red keyframe. So now you've got two keyframes. Now on the end keyframe, you want to find opacity and just turn it all the way down. So now you've essentially got your video on 100% opacity until it gets to the first keyframe, and then between the first and the last keyframe, the opacity goes to 0. That's how you can fade out, and that's how you can use keyframes to do so. I hope that video helped you out.